How to get void check on TD app. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video I'll show you how you can get void check on your TD app. So in order to get the void check on your TD app, first of all launch the TD app on your mobile device and then simply log into your TD Bank's online banking account. Now once you've logged in, your homepage will somewhat look like this, where you'll have to basically find my accounts button and then select banking. Now once you've done that, simply select the account into which your funds will be directly deposited or of which you'd like to view the void check of. Now once you're on the account screen, simply select the tab summary, and then once you're on the summary tab, you'll have to simply scroll down until you see the option direct deposit information view. Now if your menu looks different from the image which is shown right over here, simply scroll a little bit down until you see the option direct deposit information. There you'll have to tap on the option view. After that, it will display your bank account information on screen, and if you scroll down or look to the bottom side of the page, you can see the option called get form. Simply tap on it. Now this will download a PDF copy of the direct deposit form on your device, and that is also the page where you can find the void check of your TD Bank. So that is basically how you get void check on TD app. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.